No, I'm filming him, just see if he comes out. Right, come on, quick. No, go on, he'll be alright now, he's looking the other way.
No!
Quick, run! No, he's alright, go on. He can't get out that quick.
No! Hey, you're filming this, you alright?
No, I ain't. I'm just ready to take a photo if he does. But he won't. Come on. Go on, he's flexing his wings now, he's having a stretch. He won't be able to come out now.
No, it's too dangerous.
He ain't. Quick, just walk round, don't even look at him and come. Just walk round quick, you'll be round here in a second. Quick, he won't come out with the dogs are barking. Go on, that's it, he won't come out of him. No, he won't. I can't shut him in, he'll go to bite me. He's open all the time, he comes out when he wants, but he won't. No. Quick, now the dogs are gone. Quick, he's alright, go on. All his feathers have gone flat. Quick, he's alright, don't look at him, just walk through. What do you want to do, sit out the front of him for about 3 hours? No. Quick, just go now. Why I ain't looking, quick.
What happens if he goes outside?
What?
What happens if he goes outside?
He won't go outside if you get around here quick.
Sure.
Quick, for fuck's sake. He ain't, not if the dogs are here.
Oh shit, I'm so scared, man. I'm actually sweating right now.
That's it, you're right way round. Go on. Just hold your bag up like that, that's it. Hold your bag up to the side. Right now, go, quick. Just walk straight round. Quick, that's it. Go on, for fuck's sake. Quick. He ain't going to come out, I tell you. He ain't going to come out. I'm ready to take a photo. Yeah, go on.
You're ready to take a photo of me? Oh, no, God.
Go on, he's alright. Go on, he's alright. Go on, he's unstuck. Just go now. Quick, why are you round? Quick.
I'm not round.
You're round. Run, just run, and he won't come. Go on, that's it, you're round. Quick, go. Get up here quick, run. Quick, for fuck's sake, I've got things to do, quick. Right, now run, quick, just get up here quick. Run, if you run, he won't. Quick, for fuck's sake, get up here quick. Don't stop. Don't go back, come this way. Oh, what a tosser. Quick! Right, get up here quick. He's coming, quick! No, quick, for fuck's sake! Oh dear. Here we... I'm filming all this, you know that.